Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Put the Bluetooth pen drive into pairing mode so its LED blinks. This signals discoverability. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. Make sure airplane mode is off. If the vendor provides drivers, install them now because built-in stacks may not support custom profiles. Once done, click Add Device and choose the pen drive when it appears. You're starting a secure link that will allow file transfers without a cable. After selecting the pen drive and Add Device, you may be prompted to confirm a PIN or code. Verify it on both ends and accept. Once paired, give the OS a moment to install profiles. The drive should mount as removable storage or as an OBEX transfer target. If you don't see it, open Device Manager or Bluetooth settings and ensure Object Exchange (OBEX) and file transfer services are enabled. Make sure to allow trusted device access so future connections are faster and automatic. You transfer files by dragging into the mounted drive or by using the Bluetooth file transfer wizard. Choose incoming folders and accept transfers on the pen drive if prompted. When finished, always eject safely. Right-click the drive and select Eject or Disconnect from the Bluetooth menu. This prevents corruption. If something goes wrong, try toggling Bluetooth, restarting the Bluetooth service, repairing the devices, or updating drivers. That one troubleshooting tip. Repairing resolves most connectivity and visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.